Dad.
Son?
Oh, Dad, you won't believe it. Dad, today in school we learnt about animals.
Oh, that's cool. Okay. What kind of animals did you learn about?
Oh, okay. We learnt about pigs, and baby pigs are piglets, and chickens, so chicklets, and pandas, and...
Go on.
Well, all the animal daddies and mummies had baby animals. And mummy always says that you spend too much time making your children, even though I thought I was an only child.
Okay. She didn't say that to me.
And that you spend too much money on keyboards, and so that's why we can't...
Okay. I get the point. What can I do you for, son?
Well... How are holy pandas born?
Okay. Yeah, sure. The holy panda is a Frankenstein switch, so it's made out of 2 or more switches. Most commonly, the housing of an indigo panda with the stem of a halo true or... That's not what you meant. You meant like, how is it born, not... Okay. When a panda and an angel love each other very much, they turn away from the love of God. And their love is so powerful, it creates a special love formula that explodes everywhere like an earthquake. And 9 months later, you have a baby holy panda.
Wow!
Yeah. And then the panda forgets the secret love formula so he can sell his kids for $6. Dollops of ice cream. So he can share $6 of ice cream with his angel because they both love ice cream very much.
Well, I'm gonna go and...
Oh, and then the angel gets angry that the panda forgot the formula and she prays to Jesus and he delivers, as he does, a new panda so they can keep making babies.
Wow, okay. I'm gonna go...
But the panda only partly forgot the formula, so mash drop. If he lowers his weight, he can make holy pandas all by himself. Isn't that crazy?
That's not really what I asked for, like, at all, but... Thanks, Dad!
Anytime, son. Anytime.
How are cherry mix browns made?
Son, I'm so glad you asked. You see, when the devil is feeling especially devilish, he...